What number do you call when you have an emergency?
000.
Did you ride your scooter the whole way?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Like to check it off sa
Dad, give me a little bit curry.
What did Daddy give you?
A little bit curry.
A little bit of curry?
I see you. I got pink. Is it pink
Come on,
and red?
baby. Come on, baby.
Huh, baby?
Can't wait to see you. Say can't wait to see you.
Come out, silly sweetie.
Come on, baby, sweetie.
What are you gonna say to her?
Huh. Hello, baby. Cute. Cute.
Honey,
Blue.
honey, why are you beautiful?
Cause I like mommy.
Oh, cute.
Maybe some purple, blue, pink, and purple. A little bit tiny.
A little bit of what?
Maybe tiny. I made a heart. I made a height. I made to have a haircut for you.
Okay. Ayan na yung luto ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kakalagay lang niya ng mga mushrooms. Ayan. Tingnan niyo, oh, sobrang punong-puno. Grabe man si Daddy Mike, eh. Nag-awas-awas. Where's Paris going?
To the shop.
To the shop.
Alright, put this on.
Hello, Marco.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You need this one, Guess you'll be riding your scooter.
To the shops.
Say hi sa here.
Want to see the sun?
Can you see the sun? Here. Say hi, Tita.
Hi, Tita.
Good morning. Where are you going?
The shop.
I'm gonna ride my
Bicycle.
bicycle.
No, scooter.
Scooter. Put this on. Put this on here. Here, Daddy.
No, I don't mean the helmet.
Oh, you have to put the helmet on because it's very dangerous. Put the jacket on
Hey,
first.
yeah, watch.
Sana ba we're gonna put the jacket on and then we'll put the
Hey,
helmet on?
Paris, Nicole.
Yeah, watch.
Because Baba, all of the big girls, they wear the helmet. Yeah.
Pupunta sila ng shops.
Okay, I can wear my helmet.
Mag-scooter lang ang ating big girl.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I wear my helmet.
Yeah. Why do you have to wear your helmet?
Big girls wear it.
Because the bird girls are having the helmet.
That's right.
Why you
Because
have learned
if you fall, we don't want you to hurt your head. What number do you call when you have an emergency?
000.
I love you, Daddy. Enjoy.
Let's go, Mom.
Give me a kiss, nakbe.
I'm falling down, Mommy.
Yeah, well, you better not fall down, honey. Give mommy a kiss. Enjoy. Take care, okay?
Okay.
Stay close to Daddy.
Yeah, Baba. The scarf's on the floor.
Yeah, go get it. Ganda ng araw, guys. Lumabas si Mr. Sun.
Let's go, Jamie.
Enjoy, Paris! Laki-laki na talaga ng ating ate, oy. Scooter naman.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Si Mami ay naiwan dito sa bahay mag-isa, kaya nagba-vlog tayo. Nakita niyo before, Daddy Mike and Paris left for the shop. Nag-scooter ang ating baby girl. And paiwan ako dito guys kasi I don't think we can go to the shop together anyways. Hindi kami makakapasok kasi lockdown na naman tayo. Yes, you heard it right. So today is Sunday and since Thursday night, nag-lockdown na naman kami dito sa Melbourne. So it means naka-turn on na naman ang ating restrictions, yung hindi pwedeng pumunta ng shops together. Makakalakad kayo together, but then hindi kayo pwedeng makapasok sa loob ng shops together. And yung mama niya, kakaalis lang talaga, kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. So, malis din yung mama niya, nag-shower siya, and then, yeah, she's gonna go for a walk as well because it's a lovely day today. Kaninang umaga, mga 9 or 10, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, but pumunta kami ng park kasi okay sa park. Walang problema sa park. Pwede kayong makapunta kasi nga, diba, exercise yun and all. So, we went for an exercise, went for a little walk. Hindi ko nadala yung aking camera. So, hindi ko na vlog kung ano yung ginawa namin doon before. But, yeah. I'm super sick of this lockdown, guys. It looks like Celine is going to be a lockdown baby. Kasi, lockdown namin is for 1 week. And again, there's no guarantee na tatapusin nila in 1 week. And it's already 8th of August. And matatapos to siya, supposedly, next Thursday. So, I don't know kung kailan lalabas ang ating baby Celine. But I don't know. I think she is very comfortable inside. Ayaw niya munang lumabas. I've been feeling the cramps and all during the night, pero hindi talaga siya nagpa-progress to labor pa. So, maybe she wants to stay there longer, which I don't mind naman. I'm just glad, you know what? I'm just so glad na maaga nakapunta yung mama ni Daddy Mike dito. Kasi, can you imagine if, ang tawag dito, nag-lockdown na naman. Tapos, yung mama niya hindi makapunta dito kasi nag-lockdown. So, at least dumating yung mama ni Daddy Mike dito before yung 6, I think it's 6th lockdown dito sa Melbourne. So, diba? God knows talaga, guys. Like, before natin pinlano ang lahat, na plano na ni God. Lahat para sa atin. So, that's why I truly believe sa saying na, you know, just do your best and God will do the rest. At pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking buhok. Nakaganito lang siya, guys. Gustong-gusto ko na talagang maligo. However, ito, may bibili ng coat na to. So, I bought this vest from Forever New a while ago. And, hindi na siya kakasya sa akin, diba? Kasi, malaki na yung tiyan ko. Hindi ko na siya nasuot for so long. I think, sinuot ko to siya when, yung kami pa dalawa ni Daddy Mike, wala pa si Baby Paris. Because I've had this one for a long time now. Pero, brand new condition pa rin siya. Kasi, tingnan nyo, hindi ko pa talaga siya nasuot. Ayan. Tapos, may pipick up daw. Hindi pa nag-message sa akin kung saan siya. And it's already 1 o'clock at gustong-gusto ko na talagang maligo, guys. Kasi ang aking buhok, I feel ko malagkit na. Sobrang malagkit na. And I'm worried na, baka mag-labor na ako, baka magbati na ako, guys. And then, hindi pa ako nakaligo, diba? So, it doesn't feel good. Kakain muna ako kasi nagugutom na si atin nyo. Nagugutom na si atin nyo. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog for how many days? I think. Kasi nag-relax muna ako, guys. Kasi nga, diba, sabi ko rin sa inyo, medyo nahihiya akong mag-vlog pag nandito yung mama niya. Kaya yun. So, hindi ko nasabi sa inyo at hindi ko kayo nasama last time. Bumili na naman ako ng mga kakanin. So, diba nga lockdown? Ano yun? Thursday? Ay, hindi, Friday. So, kailangan naming mag-meet up ni Ate Richelle somewhere. Kasi hindi ako makapunta sa kanila kasi malayo. More than 5 kilometers. So, kagabi, mga 2 o'clock, nagutom ako. So, bumangon ako, guys. Alam nyo, kinain ko yung isang bilo-bilo kasi 2 bilo-bilo yung binili ko. And then, now, meron tayong ganito. Siguro 3 yung kakainin ko dito ngayon. Suman, salatik. Ayan, kailangan lang siyang defrost kasi frozen na yung latik niya. Nag-send na ng picture sa Daddy Mike ng picture ni Baby Paris. Kumain sila doon. Kung naririnig nyo, ang ating washing machine ay Naka-on din. Naglagay ako ng isang load, guys. Sobrang parang move ako dito sa bahay ba para mag-progress na ito sa labor ang ating tiyan ba, oh. Sobrang hard na talaga siya, guys. Nagta-tight na talaga siya. Pero hindi pa talaga siya na ayaw pa talagang lumabas ni Baby Celine. Anak? You wanna come out na, anak? Okay lang naman. Meron pa namang 8. Yung original talaga na due date niya ay 14th. So, 8. So, 6 days away from the due date. Yung lola Karen niya ay nandito na for ano na ba? 1 week kahap. Ay, hindi. 1 week ngayon. Oh, 1 week ngayon na yung lola niya. Paano na lang yung work niya? Hi, guys. Ang latik ay sobrang masarap. Tapos, may tatlong suman. Yan. Kain muna si ate niyo. Tapos, paliguan natin ang ating hair. Alam niyo guys, hindi na ako makaupo ng mabuti talaga ba? Yung upo. Kasi feel ko, si Baby Celine ay nandito na talaga sa aking bilahan. Ang hirap ng upo ng parang flat ang aking lubot.
A few moments later.
Look who's home. What have you got for Mama, honey? What is that? Oh! What did you get from the shops? Say hi sa
I don't know.
Oy, ano? Say hi sa Namili pala sila, guys. Ito, oh. Dinosaur. Chicken breast. Did you get some cards too?
There's stickers.
Stickers.
I don't have 3.
Oh, lucky. Take this off, maybe. Did you ride your scooter the whole way?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Take the jacket off, Sabi.
Dad, give me a little bit curry.
What did Daddy give you?
A little bit curry.
A little bit of carry? Did he carry you a little bit? Yeah. But most of the time you were riding your scooter? Huh? Is that true, Daddy?
Walking.
Wow.
I was walking and they.
Take this off, babe.
I don't know to open them.
Maybe take the jacket off lagi. Did you see Lola Karen there?
Yes, in the shop.
In the shop?
Yeah,
Yeah. She went for a walk too.
Yeah.
Ganyan din kasi yung mama ni Daddy Mike, guys. Katulad din sa kanya. Mahilig din sa maglakad-lakad.
It's a swimming! Yay!
Oh, swimming. Shelby, here. Here. Wow. What did you have? What did you have there? Princess, what did you have? What did you eat? Cupcake?
There's a butterfly.
Which one?
Butterfly.
A butterfly cupcake?
Yeah.
Wow, lucky girl.
Do you want it too?
Did you get a coffee?
No.
We didn't have coffee.
Yeah.
Are you sure? I think I've seen a photo.
No, it's not. I didn't. Mommy, I didn't have a coffee still.
Oh no, we had coffee this morning though. It's okay.
I want a coffee.
Okay, it's hard. I saw you jump really high.
You saw me way high,
Yeah.
and I do another. From the shop. You go out like it's in the shop.
The chef is in the house. What are you making, Daddy? Tell him.
Represent.
Representing Philippines, the show. One Philippines. What are you making, Bob?
Tamarind soup.
Yan, i-impress daw niya ang kanyang Modrocels. What is that? Oh, tamarind puree. Tingnan niyo. Diba? Ito ang kanyang mga ingredients. Coconut milk. What else we got there? Tom yum paste. And he's got the beef bones there. Lime juice. What's this one? Chili. Ayan. Naliligo mo na si mami niyo. Okay, sobrang bantot ko na. Can I have a shower, Daddy? And our baby girl is here. Hello. Hello. What are you watching? Mama's gonna have a shower, huh?
It's ready.
Give me a kiss.
Is my chicken ready?
Oh, is your chicken ready, Daddy? Is your chicken ready na ba daw?
No.
Daddy is cooking it.
No.
It's cooking. We don't cry. Okay, baby Celine is moving. Oh, if you cry. So like, why is Ate Paris crying? Oh gosh! It's cooking na, anak.
A few moments later.
Like you tell baby Celine?
It's a pink sleeve.
Yeah. What are you gonna tell baby Celine?
Yes, it is pink.
You come out, Baba. Come out na, Baba.
I see you. I got pink. It's a pink
Come out,
one.
baby. Come out, baby.
Can't wait to see you. Say, can't wait to see you. She's like pushing my bladder right now. What's that? Who's that?
Mommy, you see my leg?
I can.
When the wrapper is transparent from the meat juice,
My leg.
that's a pretty good sign. Flying on that cheese whiz. There's so much cheese
Mommy,
whiz
I want the top.
stuck together.
Come touch the baby Celine,
One
quick.
cheese whiz on the bottom and one on the top. So you can feel it's like
That's my face. Sneak it out.
Come out, Celine, sweetie.
Come on, face, sweetie.
oh yeah.
Are you excited to see baby Celine?
You should have put on her thing, mommy. You should put her jump on your YouTube blog.
Melted.
Oh, huh?
You should put her big jump on your YouTube blog.
Big jump, yeah.
The steak is actually yeah, really tender. I think because
You like that thing up? Nas?
Must clean up. I must clean.
Maybe the Richie.
Wow, I can wash here. Can wash clean.
That's crazy.
Too hard.
Very hard, I know.
Vaseline stick.
She's gonna come out soon to see you.
You.
What are you gonna say to baby Celine when she comes out?
Play in the park.
No, what are you gonna say to her?
Huh. Hello, Vaseline. Cute.
Paris is doing mommy's hairstyle.
Now I'm going to do colors.
Are you gonna do colors too? It's alright, I've got colors.
Now you talk.
Can you just do a black wave,
Okay.
please?
Yeah.
Make me beautiful, please, like you. Why are you so...
Maybe pink, blue.
Honey, why are you beautiful?
Cause I like mommy.
Oh, cute.
Maybe some purple, blue, pink, and purple. A little bit tiny.
A little bit of what?
Maybe tiny. I made a height. I made to have a haircut for you.
Okay. Can you get a haircut then?
I got it ready.
Okay. Oh, it looks so beautiful already.
It's ready. I'm putting frame.
Wow. You're a really good hairdresser. Wow. Kagubot. Wow. Finished?
Not finished yet.
Beautiful now?
Not picture for you.
Thank you. Thank you, hairdresser. Thank you, double chin. Do you have double chin now?
No.
Yes, you do. Have a look. Have a look at your face. Hmm? Ayan na yung luto ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kakalagay lang niya ng mga mushrooms. Ayan. Tingnan niyo, sobrang punong-puno. Grabe man si Daddy Mike, eh. Awas-awas. Awas-awas ang blessings. And then this one. Ayan, baby Paris pasta. Smells so good now, you know that? I scared you? How? I just said knock.
Don't say that.
Can you just, can you, uy anak, baba. Baby girl. You sing now. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? I'll answer you. Come on.
Who's cooked that? Who's take a cookie from the cookie jar? Mommy got the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
That's you.
Not me.
Who?
It's Daddy.
Who's take the cookie from the cookie jar? They take the cookie from the cookie jar. Me? Yes, you. Not me.
Nah,
Who?
then who?
Lola.
It's Lola Karen.
Who's take the cookie from the cookie jar? Yes, you. Not me.
Okay, sing for Daddy. Ask Daddy.
Who's take the cookie from the cookie jar?
For me?
Daddy took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Who?
Then who?
Mommy!
Cook ay
Mommy has the cookie.
kakalagay lang niya ng
Mommy has
ano,
the cookie.
milk, coconut milk sa kanya niluluto.
Hey, Mommy!
Naluto na ng chef ang kanyang recipe. Have a look. It looks really good, guys. Of course, hindi mawawala ang rice. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, very soft na yung kanyang meat. Ay, meron pa palang pag-ganyan. Iba rin si Daddy Mike. Sobrang gusto niya talagang magluto-luto ng ganito, guys. Very, ano siya, passionate. Are you tired, Daddy, or what?
Pop.
Ang kanyang buhok ay tumubo na eh. Kuhaan na black lang ilalim. What is it?
As a small, huh?
Expensive?
Yeah. Is it?
Not really.
Not nice, not bad.
Show me which book are we reading tonight?
This one.
What is that?
We're on the beach.
Who?
We're on the beach.
Belle and the
Beach.
Beast.
I like the beach.
Do you like the Beast?
Yes.
You're not scared of the Beast.
I'm gonna easy punch the beach. See, that's his dad.
You're not scared of the beast now?
Yes, I've watched the beast.
What's the color of Belle's dress?
Yellow,
Yellow.
like rubble.
Do you like the dress?
See, it's yellow. Mommy,
Guys, it is. Anong oras na ba?
Mommy,
It's 8:30 na ng gabi.
Mommy,
Nako, give mo nga snack.
Mommy. He's not the beast.
He turned into a prince now.
Yes.
He's good looking now. Good night na kami guys kasi itong batang iri ay magpapabasa pa ng kanyang storybook mintras sayo pa kasi 8:30 pa. Ayan. Wala naman kaming ano bukas pero si Daddy Mike mag-work si Daddy Mike bukas. So, ayun. Pambihirang lockdown ito. So, do you know how many cases today?
The look.
Yeah. So yeah, so if baby Celine comes out from now until Thursday, lockdown baby talaga. Lockdown baby! Si baby Celine na. Baby girl.
Yeah.
Say, I will my book. That's it.
Anyway, ano natin yung vlog guys ha. Shout out na tayo. Nak, what number do you call when you have an emergency?
000.
Good job. You're very smart. You're very smart, aren't you? Shout out to Norma Flor Quinanola, Efegenia Zarate, Mylene Franco, Mylene Obalde, Tess Ray, Calvin Burinaga,
Look at Daddy's face.
Lucy Montemayor, Christina Mayan, Zanaida Robles, Annabel Amolo, Carlota Pedro, Lovely Dugumeo, May Gao, Cherry May Ongayo, Mirna Raon, Maria Teresa Airoso, Novero Yoli, Fe Guarnes, Malin Lorente, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Marilu Luzon, Digna Villavicencio,
Daddy cut. Yeah, too.
Joanne Owano, Victor Ryan Bunil, Loleta Rivera, Alaina May Espera, Lucy Ball, Lucy Bo,
Because you're not a boy.
Nadette's Life, Mercy Narito,
Only boys have hair.
Feli Ilamparo, Marlene Suitos, Gigi and Laika Vlogs,
Yeah, Jake is
and
little
Glory
boy. But when you're a
Free
big boy, when you're a
Alviso.
grown-up boy, you get hair.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, anak.
Hey, look.
Thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.